Let's create a bottom of plastic bottle with the help of SolidWorks surface feature. Okay, just follow these steps. So let's create top plane sketch, activate one circle. This is the center circle I'm going to create. Make this diameter 15. Okay, now go to surface and activate planar surface. See? Okay. Now let's up select the body and make it little dark. Okay. Now go to direct editing, move this body 10 millimeter, select the body, translate y direction 10 millimeter, uncheck copy. Okay, we just move this body 10 millimeter above. Okay, now again I'm going to activate top plane sketch circle and let me draw a bigger circle. This is for reference purpose, 70 dia. Okay, extruded surface, make depth 5 millimeter, but the position is here, start condition offset 35 millimeter above. Okay, okay, let me create the profile. Front plane sketch, activate spline, draw one spline, 2 point, and there is a point third. Right click, select and exit. Now do one thing, hold shift key, select this point and curve, pierce relation. Similarly do this end, pierce relation, again normal. Now select this spline, drag handle vertical, this handle horizontal, and make this handle also horizontal. Now let's define the drag handle length 20, the bottom one 50, and let me define the gap 20, 54. Now here we need to make one more relation. Select this point, second point, and origin point horizontal. Look, this is the shape of bottom of bottle. Exit, top plane sketch, activate here. Let me select this outer circle, convert entity, and make it construction line. Activate line, start from here to here to here. Smart dimension 72, 1/5 of 360, and angle between these two, half of this 36. But make it this one trim entity, keep trim entity as construction line and make this line construction. Okay. Now go to surface, extrude. Extrude beyond this. So let's say 45. Okay. Now I want to project this curve on this curve. So let's try first. Select this curve, control key, select this face, go to insert and here apply drive sketch. If this is not happening, then simply select this plane, reference geometry, plane, and here make 0, reference face 1. Okay. Now press and hold control key. Let me select plane and sketch and go to insert, apply here drive sketch. Now see, the sketch is applied on this, but let's create some important, again the same relation 54. Now let's make this bottom length same 50 and this one 20. Okay. Now select the same edge, point, pierce. $20mm. Now this is fully defined sketch. Okay, simply exit. Now let's define one path in center. So select this plane, sketch, activate spline, and let me create okay. Now select this circular edge, this point, pierce. Similarly do this end. This bottom edge, point, pierce. Select this curve, spline, select this one, tangent, vertical. Similarly this one, horizontal. Smart dimension, this handle length 65, normal view. This is similar 54. Simply exit. Now select these two, hide. Even plane one also make it hide. Now do one thing. Go to surface, apply lofted surface. Now here profile which we want to loft, we have to select. Now first, the first sketch what we created, second, third. Now here end, start or end constraint. Now the relation between surfaces normal. Start normal 0 degree. End constraint also keep normal to profile. This is normal to this profile. Okay. Now there is a guided curve. Guided curve, select the bottom edge and select this bottom edge. Next to, and here tangency keep none. Merge tangent faces, say okay. Okay, now let's apply here circular pattern. Now here choose body which we want to pattern. Select this body, only this. Now come direction, select either, I'm going to select the surface. Now select, look from top, angle 360, 5 number of instances, 72 into 5 is 360, apply. See, let me, okay, delete this, so better delete or keep body, delete body. Okay, now go to surface, knit surface. Now select all the 6 bodies, merge result. Okay, say okay. Now we have, okay, these two are hidden. Okay, delete body, so delete those 2 bodies also. Okay, now apply thickness 1 millimeter. Okay, let's make inside. See, this is the bottom shape of bottle, how we created with the help of surface. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.